Hi, I'm Cherie from Sydney Stretch Therapy. This is for the inside leg. It was inspired by boxing the compass. So I've got a knee pad here for my leg and we're going to stretch the inside leg so you can walk like a cowboy. This is just for balance. I bring this leg forward. Now the original exercise was moving the back leg and you're always sinking towards the front knee. I found that really hard on my knee, so I changed it. So squaring up my knee again, something soft and comfortable. My back foot is nice and relaxed. I bring this leg forward, I take a breath, I tuck and I sink forward. So I get a little bit of a hip flexor stretch first. I test that. Then I move this foot and I sink towards a new position. And now I can feel this stretch creeping into the inside leg as I sink in. Don't lose your tuck. Keep your tuck on. Creep the foot around a bit more. Sink. So this looks pretty quick. But I'm just blocking this through so that you can see this is exactly what we're going to be doing. It's intense. So now this is like, all the short inside leg muscles all the way up to the gusset region are saying hello. And if I untuck, I lose it. If I tuck more, I get more sensation. So that sort of shearing force where you're smearing your knee, it's not moving, but it's anchored into the floor, intense. Such a good stretch. This leg is active. I'm using that to pull me into the stretch. So if I start back here again, take a breath, pull my tummy in, tuck, sink in. Slowly move back, use the foot creep. The foot, the knee, the hip are in alignment and that's the direction I'm moving in. You can spend a couple of breaths there. We're just warming up the hip joint. I'll let you do the long holds. So creeping the foot around, sinking in. Notice I haven't slumped over. Trunk is still upright, tummy's still in. Creep around a little bit more. I'm really attentive to the sensation of it moving all the way onto the inside leg. Creep a little bit more, sink a little bit more. You want to have a long, elegant shape. And I can even push a little bit off that chair just to get maximum stretch. A little pulsing helps. Still get that tuck on. You can even push into that hip. This is another way of getting that intensity in there. A little bit of balance work too. Slow and controlled. So even though I've been constantly moving, it's slow and controlled. I can creep it all the way back, working onto that inside leg. And now I can feel it slowly coming towards the front of the thigh there. Keep your chest up, keep your tummy on, and sink in. And now we're back to the front of the hip, just like that.